So in this video, I'm going to be showing you my cleaning routine, and I hope you enjoy this video. This is one of the requested video on my YouTube channel. So enjoy. As you can see, my living room is in a terrible mess. I need to get this done, and this is where we spend most of our time. And you can see the dining is messy as well. So it's Saturday, and I love to do this on the Saturdays. I'm a mom of 3, so what do you expect? So guys, I always love to start from my staircase, and then I'll walk all the way to the corridor. Now I'm using this spray to spray it down and give it a good wipe. This spray smells really good, and that is why I love it. It also makes the surface look so shiny. So next I'm going to be using my Nigerian broom. And Nigerians out there, we understand what this is used for. So I got this from an African store here in the UK. So this just makes the work easier for me. And then I'll just begin to use it to sweep all the way down. If you're watching me for the first time, I want to say you're welcome to my channel. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, and also please do not forget to hit the bell. I have a video of this sterilizer. If you haven't watched that video, please go on and watch that video. So after sweeping my sterilizer, I love to mop immediately, and I'm using a wooden floor cleaner to mop. Going to continue with my hallway, and now I am trying to dust the carpet, and then after that I will go on and begin to sweep the hallway. Please bear with me, the lighting here is not that perfect. I am struggling with the sun ray. The sun was coming inside the house, so please bear with me. And here my daughter is going to be helping as well to clear the tables. I love to carry my daughter along in the household chores. I try to introduce her to a lot of things because she is growing and she needs to learn lots of things. So guys, I don't know what happened to my lighting here. I'm really struggling with the sun. The sun is coming in and it's not helping with the lighting at all. So here I'm just trying to clear the dining table, and then I will spray it down and give it a good wipe. After that, I will go on and begin to sweep the dining area. After sweeping, I love to mop immediately. So now I am trying to mop the dining area as well. Okay, there is something I love to do while doing my cleaning, which is listening to music. I love to have a break, and this just makes my job go really smoothly and easier. So here I am going to be having a short break.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Mr. D, Mr. D. Yeah, it's our dice. Yeah, so oh yeah, fún wọn lẹ́gbẹ̀gbẹ̀. Oh yeah, fún wọn lẹ́gbẹ̀gbẹ̀. Oh yeah, fún wọn lẹ́gbẹ̀gbẹ̀. Fún wọn jẹ́ kí ṣe wẹ́gbẹ̀. Oh yeah, fún wọn lẹ́gbẹ̀gbẹ̀. Oh yeah, fún wọn lẹ́gbẹ̀gbẹ̀. Oh yeah, fún wọn lẹ́gbẹ̀gbẹ̀. Fún wọn jẹ́ kí ṣe wẹ́gbẹ̀. iPhone 1, iPhone 2, iPhone 3.
Let's get back to work. So now I am spraying my window area because of dust. I just need to clean that area because each time we get some dust over there. So I'll just spray it down and also give it a nice wipe. I would like to apologize once more. I don't know what happened to my lighting. Everything is just so blurry. I'm so sorry about that. I don't know why. I don't just know why. I've never done a video like this before. This is my first. I'm going to be taking down the cushions. So because my children love to snack on the sofa, there are a lot of dirt hiding under the sofa. So I need to get this down and get it properly cleaned. And to do this, I'm going to be using my Nigerian broom to wipe them down.
Crack it.
Guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope I have motivated somebody to get their home clean as well, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please be sure to give us a big thumbs up. If you want more of a video like this, give us a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please go on, hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell. That bell will notify you
Goodbye, goodbye, good friends, goodbye.